everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be doing this awesome salad of cucumbers. This salad is so easy to make that you can make it every day. Follow my channel to see more videos. First of all, we will chop the onion in half rings. Then, when we're done, we put it in a bowl, a spoon of sugar and half of a spoon of salt. Then some olive oil, and you add some hot water. When you're done, you leave it for 20 or 15 minutes. Meanwhile, you can cut the cucumbers in this way. I personally like this way because it tastes better. 300 grams of chicken breast, 3 boiled eggs. We cut them or chop them in squares. In a bowl, we add the cucumbers, the onions, the eggs, and the chicken. A bit of salt, and add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And you mix it again. As you just saw, this salad is super easy to make, really tasteful, and I'm sure you never tried something like this ever before. It's so good. I just recommend this recipe so much. Thank you guys for watching this video. Give me a like if you liked it, and follow my channel so you don't forget to watch any of my videos. Thanks!